If you've ever felt like you have no interest in doing anything, you're bored, you don't know what to do, you can't get inspired, well, don't feel bad, because I guarantee everyone has been through this. Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lindsay, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get out of a rut and how to become more inspired and how to be motivated to do anything you want. It starts out, we have to take little steps at a time, but I promise you'll get there. The thing that really helps me is to have a clean space. Like wherever you spend the majority of your time, it's a really good idea to keep that space tidy and clean. Like I know for myself, if like I stay in my kitchen a lot of the times because I'm cooking, and my son and I would do a lot of activities, school activities in the kitchen. If this place is a mess, it just like everything is chaos. I can't deal with that kind of stuff, and it makes me feel really bad if I have like clutter and stuff on the floor or on the counters or anything like that. And like after you're clean, like your house is clean and everything around you is clean, like your mind becomes less foggy and chaotic. Like I really do believe like isn't it great like to come home after the day, like you've just cleaned the entire house, you smell like it's nice and fresh and it smells so nice, you have nice sheets on the bed. It's just an awesome feeling, and like just doing that can really boost your self-esteem and way you feel that day, and it can really help to move forward and to keep going. Another thing I would say is something you can do right now if you're feeling stuck and you're sitting in your pajamas or sweatpants. Something that I used to do when I was at my worst, I would just stay in pajamas and sweatpants all day long. And because I felt like I looked horrible, it made me feel horrible. So if you're feeling that way, let's get up. Let's go get a shower, go take a bath, pamper yourself for a little bit. Put on some makeup. It makes you feel better. If it makes you feel better, then do it. Like I always feel like I feel a lot better when I look better. So yeah, that's something that you can do right now, is to just get up, make yourself presentable. Even if you don't have anywhere to go for the day, just act like you're getting up and you're going to do something, and that will make you feel more productive and to want to get up and actually do something. And another tip that has really helped me, I know this one might not be for everyone, but it's to have an accountability buddy. And my accountability buddy is my husband Josh. Like we try to keep each other in check, like keep each other accountable. Like we've started doing morning routines, and if one of us doesn't want to get up, or the alarm clock is going off at 5:30 and I'm like, oh, I don't want to get up. Well, we've gotten to a routine now that if one is not feeling that good, then the other one is going to motivate and to inspire the other one to actually keep going. I really think like that is a great thing, and it can help a lot if you have someone that you can set goals with and you keep each other accountable for what's going on. It can really help to keep you motivated, and you won't get in another rut, hopefully, and then you can keep being productive and have like an amazing life. Another thing I do is I listen to my intuition. For years I would feel like I don't know what's going on, and a lot of us don't know this, but we have an internal guidance system that tells us where to go, and that's our intuition. If something doesn't feel right to you, or it makes you sick, and you like, this can be with situations, people, all kinds of things. If you don't feel good doing something, then that's a sign to stop doing those things. When we're following our body and following our intuition, it life becomes much easier, and that's literally our internal guidance system to show us the right path that we need to go down. Another thing is we tend to procrastinate, and that will have us in a perpetual loop of always waiting for the perfect moment to happen. Instead of doing this, I try to set little goals daily that I can get stuff accomplished. Like, I will say I'm going to, like, I'm a homeschool mom, so I'll write down all of the little things that we have to do for the day, and I can check all of those off. And the little things, like recognizing the little things that we're doing, really does help. As we're going through the day, like if we're saying, I have this huge list of things that I need to do, and you just feel overwhelmed, and you have like, if you're a person like me, I will have this huge list of things that I need to do, and I've gotten way too much stuff that I can do in one day, and I try to do it, and then I'm like, well, I didn't get this thing done, so I might as well not do this thing either. And then it's just like a snowball effect. I'll just like completely say, oh, I'm just not going to do any of this today, and I'll try it again tomorrow. Instead of writing a huge list every day of the things that I need to do, I make smaller lists that I can check off, and I set smaller goals that are easy for me to attain. So I feel like I have little wins all throughout the day, and that keeps me motivated to keep going and keep getting other things done. Okay, if you're feeling like really stuck and you just are like in a depression and you feel like you can't get up and do just everyday activities, I feel like it's great to talk about these kind of things. Whatever's bothering you, talk with someone. That's why family and friends are here, is for us to be able to talk and get this stuff out of your body. And if you don't have someone that you can talk to, you can try journaling and write down your thoughts, whatever's bothering you, write it all down. Get all of that out of you. And if journaling is not something for you, well, there are lots of online groups that you can go to. There, you can go to therapists where we can talk about our issues and talk about what's bothering us, so we can move forward and not stay in this rut and in this perpetual loop of just nothingness. So if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave those down in the comment section. And we will be making videos every week. So if you liked it, please come back next week, and we'll have some new great content to help you get moving, get motivated, and optimize your life.